The longest hiccuping spree lasted an astonishing 68 years, starting in 1922 when Charles Osborne was just 28. Can you imagine hiccuping through your entire adult life? Osborne's condition began unexpectedly while he was weighing a hog for slaughter, and despite numerous medical consultations, the hiccups persisted, averaging around 40 times a minute initially, then slowing to 20 times a minute. This relentless rhythm continued until 1990, profoundly affecting his daily life, but remarkably, he managed to marry twice and father 8 children. His hiccups finally ceased mysteriously 1 year before his death.